Good morning, grade 8. So, this is our topic for this week. So, first lesson natin siya this week. So, we have factorizing perfect squares. So, we are going to use the identities quantity A plus B quantity squared. And then, kapag in-expand natin siya, it should be A squared plus 2AB plus B squared po. Ayun siya. And then, the second identity that we are going to use is quantity A minus B quantity squared equals A squared minus 2AB plus B squared po. So, dapat niyo siyang tandaan. So, itong factorizing perfect squares, meron tayong dalawang conditions dito. So, gagamitin lang natin si factorizing perfect square kapag, so una po, kapag yung givens natin is a trinomial. So, katulad nitong given natin dito, we have 9r squared plus 3rs, 30rs po ito. Ayan. We have 30rs plus 25s squared. So, ayan siya. And then the second condition for this factorizing perfect square, dapat yung ating first term and then our last term should be perfect square. So, paano natin malalaman kung perfect square sila? Kapag in-square root nyo sila, yun, may makukuha kayong answer. So, dito si 9r squared, so perfect square siya. So, ibig sabihin, merong dalawang factor, meron siyang factor na same lang yung number. For example, 3 times 3. So, yun, perfect square siya kasi 9 yung sagot natin. So, let's start with this first example. We have 9r squared plus 30rs plus 25s squared. So, identify muna natin yung kanilang mga factors. So, for 9r squared po, ang factors natin is we have 3 times 3 times yung r squared natin, r times r. Ayan po siya. So, ito yung sa ating first term. So, lagay tayo ng parenthesis para separation nila. And then, plus, yung addition sign natin. And then, si 30rs naman po, ang kanyang factors, r is, we have 2 times 3 times 5 times r times s. Ayan po siya. So, 2 times 3, 6 times 5, 30 po. And then, r times s is rs po. Ayun siya. So, next, addition sign po ulit. Huwag kakalimutan. And then, for our last term, we have 25s squared. So, ang factor niya is 5 times 5 times s times s. So, ito na yung mga factors ng ating given. Ng each term po. So, ngayon, by applying the identity, so, ang gagamitin natin for this first example is yung ating first identity na quantity A plus B quantity squared po. Ayan siya. Ito yung gagamitin natin ngayon. So, yun, ilista lang natin sila. So, 9r squared. So, 3r na lang po siya. Quantity squared po. Ayan po siya. So, since perfect square po si 9r squared po, pwede natin siyang isulat as 3r quantity squared po. So, pag in-expand natin si 3r quantity squared is magiging 9r squared pa rin po siya. So, next, si middle term naman, we have 2 times 3 times 5 times r times s. So, since wala silang common, sulat lang din ulit natin si 30rs. Ayan siya. So, and then the last term po, we have 25s squared. So, si 25s squared po is also a perfect square. So, we will just write 5s quantity squared po. So, same sila ni first term and last term po. So, ganun yun. So, ngayon, gagawin na natin siya yung katulad ng ating first identity. So, ipa-factorize natin itong given natin. So, we will have 3r plus 5s squared po. Ganyan po siya. So, dito, kung makapapansin nyo, ang kinuha ko lang is yung ating first term and last term po. So, yun lang siya. So, actually, hindi nyo na kailangan ng mahabang method na to, yung i-identify nyo yung factors niya. Basta po pag nakita nyo na ang ating first term and last term is a perfect square, pwede na nyo agad siya ma-factor, which is 3r plus 5s quantity squared po. So, yun siya. So, kapag in-expand natin itong factors na to, babalik tayo dun sa ating pinaka-equation po. So, yun yun. So, let's have a next example. So, for this next example natin, we have p squared plus 49q squared minus 14pq. So, ang gagamitin naman natin for this example is yung ating pangalawang identity. So, kung nalilito kayo kung bakit hindi sila magkamukha, pwede nyo naman silang i-rearrange. So, rearrange na lang natin. So, we have p squared, yun, minus 14pq plus 49 q squared. So, ito siya. So, magkamukha na sila kapag n-expand si a minus b quantity squared. So, ito siya. Okay? So, next natin yon. Katulad ng ginawa natin dun sa first example, list down natin yung mga factors nila. So, si p squared is we will have p times p. Ayan siya. Okay? And then, minus tayo. So, si 14, we have 2 times 7 times p times q. Ayan po siya, okay? And then, para sa ating last term, we have 49q squared. We'll have 7 times 7 times q times q. Okay? Ayan siya. So, ngayon, actually, hindi mo naman na kailangan ng ganito. Para lang mas malinaw sa inyo kung saan nanggagaling yung ating mga factors. So, ngayon, by applying the second identity, we have a minus b quantity squared. Ito siya. So, since yun, p squared is a perfect square as well as si 49q squared po. So, si p squared natin, pwede natin isulat as p squared pa rin po. Ganun siya. So, kahit yung parenthesis ko yan, ganun pa rin naman yung kalalabasan niya. So, minus 14pq. Okay? And then plus, so 7 times 7 times q po is yun. 7q na lang isulat natin and then quantity squared po. Ayan siya. So, ito pa lang yung expanded form niya. And then, yun, factorize na natin using the second identity. So, we will have p minus 7q. And then, syempre, squared po. Ayan siya. So, ibig sabihin, ito lang po yung factors natin for this given expression. Humaba lang siya. So, actually, sa umpisa pa lang makikita nyo na. So, since perfect square si p squared, ayun, kunin nyo na lang yung isa niya. So, p. And then, minus, yun, si 49q squared po is also a perfect square. So, magiging 7q na lang yun. So, kapag in-expand natin si p minus 7q quantity squared, babalik po ulit tayo sa ating first equation. So, yun lang po yun. So, that's all. So, thank you.